Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to share with you a super easy recipe of how to make granola bars. I love eating granola bars and I've always wondered if it is possible to make this at home. Like everybody else, I started looking online how to make granola bars and I stumbled upon this recipe. But the result was a soft, moist granola bars, which was okay taste-wise, but I was not satisfied. So then I thought probably I should try another recipe, but I never tried after that. Sometime back I had this craving for eating granola bars again, and then I tried the same recipe again, but this time I made a small difference in the recipe. I added a little bit of light corn syrup and it actually did the work. It became hard and just like the bars that you get in store, and it tasted really yummy. And so I'm going to share with you today all about this recipe, how I made it. Now, if you're new here, I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Shobita and I have 2 kiddos. I'll be sharing a lot of inspiring and motivating videos, especially about cooking and baking, because I love baking and I love to try out new things every now and then. And so hopefully you will love my channel and my content, and you will consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. And if you do, please say hi in the comments below. Tell me about yourselves, introduce yourselves so that I get to know you better. Now, if you like videos like this and you want to see more of it, please make sure and go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know that you love this. Now, without more delay, let's jump into the recipe and see how to make granola bars. So these are the ingredients that you need to make granola bars. First, you need oats, which is 1 and 2 by 3rd cups, granulated sugar, half to 3 by 4th cup. I've taken 3 by 4th cup here. Then you need oats flour, which is 1 by 3rd cup, salt, half teaspoon. Then you need ground cinnamon, 1 by 4th teaspoon. Next you need dried fruits or nuts. You can take different kinds of nuts. Here I've ground together almonds and walnuts, shredded coconut, peanuts, some flax seeds, and you need some peanut butter, about 1 by 3rd cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, about 6 tablespoons of melted butter, one by 4th cup of honey, two or three drops of maple syrup, 1 by 3rd cup of light corn syrup, and 1 tablespoon of water. First, you got to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then, take a pan with parchment paper, leaving a couple of inches on each side to hang over the edge of the pan. Lightly grease the pan with a little bit of oil and keep aside. Now take a bowl and stir together all the dry ingredients, including the fruits and nuts. Now take a separate bigger bowl and add in all the wet ingredients. Now you gotta take a whisk and whisk all these wet ingredients together. Now toss the dry ingredients into the bowl. And mix this together. Now transfer the mix into the prepared pan and press it. Now I made this in 2 batches, so if you have a bigger pan you can make everything in one batch. Let's get the tray inside the oven. Bake the bars for 30 to 40 minutes until they are just brown around the edges. Now you have to take it out and cool it completely on a rack. Now my granola bars have cooled down. I'm going to cut it. This is a great snack that you can pack for kids for school, or if you're going as a family for a trip or a picnic, or even if you want to take a bite in between the day. Alright you all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be giving the recipe in the description box down below. Please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, it helps you out a lot, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of baking videos or if you have any doubts about this recipe. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye bye.